guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the supplier interface. Okay, and we have seen an example on the supplier interface. Okay, now in this session, we will be seeing about the IntSupplier. We will be using this IntSupplier when we are working with primitive data type like integer. Okay, so in this session, we'll be seeing an example like how you can generate a secure 6-digit OTP using Java functional programming. Okay, so let's see that. I'm at my Spring Tool suite. Let me create a class for generating the OTP. So I'll be giving the class name as OTP generator. OTP generator. Okay, this OTP generator class will be having a method called OTP generate. OTP generate. Okay, so this OTP generate will be generating this OTP generate method will be generating the new OTP every time when we are invoking this method. Actually, when we are invoking this method. Okay, so in order to generate the OTP, in order to generate the OTP or in order to generate the random number, okay, so we will be using a random class. Actually, this random class is given by the Java, so we can use this random class and we can mention what is the max value and what is the min value. Okay, so we will be doing that. Let's see how we can do. I'll be using lambda expressions, random, and next integer I'll be mentioning the max value 6-digit. It should be a 6-digit number. I told you, right? So it should be a 6-digit number. Okay, this is digit number and this is the min value, and this will be generating a integer value. Okay, so now I want to copy the integer value, so I'll be using the IntSupplier. I'll be using the IntSupplier. So it is an IntSupplier. I'll be copying that random value into the IntSupplier. I can use IntSupplier to get that value. Okay, so return IntSupplier dot, in order to get the random number, I'll use get as int. Okay, because the whatever the number which is generated, it is storing into the IntSupplier. I want to get that number, so I'll be using the get as int method and I'll be getting that value. Okay, so what type of value we are returning? It integer value, so it is. Okay, this is a publicly accessible another class as well. Okay, so now I'll call this OTP generate method from my client application. Here my client application, I'll be creating a class called OTP generator client. OTP generator client, public static void main. Check on that. Click on finish. Okay, so remove the to do using Control D. Okay, now what I'll do is I have to create an object of a OTP generator. Okay, let's say OTP generator equals to OTP generator equals to new OTP generator. OTP generator dot generate OTP. OTP generate. So when I call this method OTP generate, it will be producing a value and I want to copy that result into some variable. Okay, so I'll be saying this is a OTP. I'll just give it as a OTP only. Okay, let's save this one. Let's write the printout statement. I'll say generated OTP is plus OTP. I'm concatenating that OTP to a string. Okay, so what we have done, let's recap. So we have created the OTP generator class and we have used the random class to generate. We have to use the random class and we have given the max value and the min value. Yes, you have to give max and min value like this only. If it is a 6-digit number, you have to give like this. So you can give 999 also, no problem. Okay, So if you have 111 also, there is no problem in it. All ones also, there is no problem in it. So it should be 6-digit number. It can take any number. Okay. So this will be generating a random value of this will be generating a 6-digit random value between the 10 lakhs to 90. Okay. So it will be generating it. So once it is generated, then it will be storing the value into the IntSupplier. From the IntSupplier, I'm getting the value. I'm passing it to the client. In the client, we are displaying the value. Okay. Now, right click and as Java application. Now it will be generating a new OTP 208923. Again, when I run it, so it will be generating a new OTP now. See here. See 223128. So every time it is generating a 6-digit number. Okay. So that's all from this session. The next session we'll be seeing one more functional interface. Until then, thank you for watching.